Welcome back to Designing on Higher Logic. Today, we're going to look at using Bootstrap 4 in your Higher Logic site. Now, your site, it's already loading Bootstrap 3, but it's loading 4 also. Let's take a look at how we can activate it. Okay, don't look at this page yet. It's actually using Bootstrap 4 HTML, but it's not using the CSS. Here's a little trick. If you want to use Bootstrap 4, you need a parent class. That's how they were able to implement Bootstrap 4 and Bootstrap 3 in the same site. Normally, you wouldn't use both of them, but they can't really remove 3 and use 4. So here's what we do. Go to your page properties, not widget properties, the actual page properties. We're going to add this class, Bootstrap-4. And actually, for designing pages, you can add other classes to a page. Good way to localize your CSS. Okay, wow, what a difference. I'm now using all the Bootstrap 4 utility classes, and I've got some good looking layouts here. So that's where I added that my classes, and that's the Bootstrap 4 class. Looks pretty good. And probably the main benefit of Bootstrap 4, we're using Flexbox. So you can see the content here. No matter what size it is, everything in that row stays nicely aligned. Okay, let's look at the container elements, probably the most important part of a Bootstrap site. And I'm just going to outline the container div in red here so you can see it. And so you can have full width sections, but you got to have the container inside. And I'll show you how. You see that you get like nice margins and everything. That's what the container is helping you do. Look at that, just nice margins, little white space. But let's look at just a regular page in Higher Logic. This is using the page designer, and I'm using the nested rows. We have an issue with nested rows, but the main issue, the container on a Higher Logic page is on the very outside, and it's not doing anything, so you don't get those nice little the margins at different viewport sizes. And one curious thing, you can see the top nav bar, or the admin bar, it is actually using Bootstrap correctly. There. See how it matches my content there? I don't know why they built their pages with the container at the very outside. But one thing to be aware of if you're going to be using layouts correctly, just per the Bootstrap documentation.